I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna open that little present.
Who's that for? Is it Brayden's birthday?
Oh.
What's this for me?
What is it, Brayden?
Don't make me easy.
Whoa! It's a volcano. That is awesome.
Look, Avery, this is for you.
Mr. B, did you get a volcano? Wow.
Wow, look at that volcano.
Open it.
What do you say to your aunt and your uncle and your cousins? You say?
There it is, Daddy.
You say thank you.
Thank you.
Can you blow them a kiss?
Oh, you got some paint.
Can you look in the camera and tell Auntie D thank you?
Thank you, Auntie D.
And Uncle Chad.
Thank you.
Say thank you, Uncle Chad and your cousins.
Thank you, Uncle Dad, my cousins.
Say love you.
I love you.
Can
Can you
you open
open it?
this? Look, you got some more presents.